Alright, so let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer. Have you ever been to any island?
No, I have never been to any island. On the other hand, I have seen their beauty on television and internet. It's my dream to have a visit on island.
Okay, that's good. Are there any islands in your country?
No, there are no islands in my country. This thing bring me into parts when I think about this. I wish there would be an island on my country.
Okay. Do you want to live on an island?
Actually, it's my dream to have a living, to spend some living time on island. This thing will bring me joy. I will enjoy to have spend some time on island and to figure out some.
To figure out something, to discover something new, and I really want to have the feeling that you are surrounded with water all around, something like that. Okay, what would you like to do if you go to any island?
Actually, I would like to. I am a nature lover, and I love to. I would love to figure out.
Now you're repeating this word "figure out" again. No. You should not repeat anything. Yeah. So, what would you like to do if you go to any island?
I would love to explore beaches. And the best part will be, I would enjoy living.
Listen here. You need to organize your answer properly, right? Not the scattered ideas. Like one idea from here, one idea from there, jo dekha bata diya. Not like that, okay? Now the question is, what would you like to do if you go to any island? Well, I would like to do several things if I ever get a chance to go to any island. First of all, I would like to do fishing, because I like fishing very much and it's going to give me a nice feeling if I go for fishing. Second, I like surfing. So if I ever get a chance to go to any island, I would love to do surfing. Surfing पता है ना क्या होता है? Something like that. मैंने surfing नहीं करनी, ना कभी की है, देखा हुआ है, सुना हुआ है and all that. जो देखा है, जो सुना है, शर्माना नहीं है, बता देना. ठीक है? और ideas scattered नहीं होनी चाहिए. One from there, one from there, one from there. They should be organized in a well manner. Okay, thank you. Now it's your turn, please. Your topic is driving, and my first question is, do you often drive?
Yes, I drive it in my free time.
Good.
And because I like it and I feel very happy do it.
Yeah, I feel very happy to do it, or whenever I drive I really feel happy, or आप भी कह सकते हैं I go on a long drive and
yes.
I enjoy that. Do you want your children to drive in the future?
Yes, it is an important skill that everyone should know, and it is very necessary to everyone
For everyone
in the future.
Okay, so I think I would like my children to learn driving in the future, then they can take their mother anywhere. Huh?
Yes.
Okay, शर्माना नहीं है.
Yes.
Yeah? Alright. Do you have a driving license?
Yeah, I have a driving license.
Yes, I do have a driving license.
I have a driving license, and I got it. I turned 18 age.
Yeah, I got it when I turned 18. Or I had received it when I turned 18.
And everyone cannot receive it before the 18 age.
Before the age of 18. So yes, I do have a driving license and I can drive on the roads. At what age are people allowed to drive in your country? At what age are people allowed to drive in your country?
And allowed in my country to driving license 18.
People are allowed to drive in my country at the age of 18. Usually when you turn 18, you get your national ID card, and right after that you get your other documents. So in my country, the right age for driving the car is 18. क्या सोच रहे हैं? Yeah, just be involved. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
just try to elaborate your answer in a proper way. One last question: do you think it is difficult to drive a car?
No, it is not difficult driving a car, but it is very easily.
It is very easy.
It is because it is very easy, and millions of people drive every day.
Very good. This is good. But just try to add 1 to 2 more sentences, then it will be better, right? Okay. Thank you very much. All the best. Yeah.